Are you spending all your time and effort on creating content that no one sees? Don't worry, I know how you'll feel. Well, let me recommend some strategies for you. Let's start off with, instead of creating bits of images that no one relates to, how about creating 1 or 2 videos? And I'm not saying this just because I'm the video confidence coach. I'm saying this because it will be slightly less effort for you, instead of creating a whole bunch of images, to maybe film 1 or maybe 2 30-second videos. And you do this by answering a question that people have for you. Either a question that your current customers have been asking you, or maybe if you want to just Google your industry or profession and a question that people ask you, or your industry a lot, answer that question in the way that you have, in your take, in your information. And then from there, upload that video. You don't have to edit it any particular way if you don't like. I do recommend just topping and tailing it, which is where you get off the bit where you press record and you get yourself ready and then start talking. Cut off that bit, and then at the end where you stop recording, take a deep breath and you finish by pressing the record button. Then probably edit those bits out. And from there, answer those questions, 30-second videos. Yes, I am aware that getting your confidence up to film in front of the camera can be quite daunting. Totally get it. So if that's not ready for you, then don't worry, you don't have to take my advice whole cloth. But from there, post those 2 videos, one earlier on the week, one later in the week, and engage with the comments that people leave. If people have questions, maybe record more videos from there. Whatever works for you, however things need to be done, but just try implementing video into your strategy. And again, I'm not saying this just because I'm the video confidence coach. I'm saying I've done this with multiple clients where they did purely video posts and they weren't getting anywhere. And then as soon as they did 1 video, it skyrocketed. So that's definitely a blip. But then they continued to do more videos from there, and they continued to grow and be seen and be heard as an authority in their industry because they were speaking directly to the people who wanted answers, as opposed to just doing quotes from insert famous grifter or famous entrepreneur here. Like, that stuff's fine, but don't just create content for the sake of creating content. Answer people's questions. If you sell products, answer common questions that people have about the products. And if you're unsure of what questions to ask, or maybe you don't even have any clients yet, then Google, research. Use the thing that you're holding in your hand to just see what people want answers to. Answer them the best way you can. And if you can't use a video just yet, then practice. Get your phone out and just practice.